Okay. Start opening. What'd you get?
Oh no!
Whoa, what is it?
It's cherry sun.
What'd you get? Rip it up. Big pieces.
Oh,
Cool! Look, it's to help you read books. Look at that. Isn't that neat?
wow.
What is that?
Why, it's a choo-choo.
It's a choo-choo.
Yeah. That's a choo-choo. Yeah. Buddy. Whoa.
Is that cool?
Yeah. Why, it's a choo-choo.
Thomas the choo-choo. Oh, wow. It's a new choo-choo track. And look, it has Cranky with it.
Whoa.
Is that neat?
Yeah. Whoa.
Cool.
Uh-oh.
You want to see what this one is? What is it?
Whoa,
Toy Story 3. Is that for a book for you to read with your new reading pen? Toy Story 3, cool. Neato Vegito. And Thomas too. Cool. You want to see what's in this bag too? Open what's in the bag. We'll read the book in a minute, okay? What'd you get? Are you looking in there?
Whoa!
Here, do you want to look what's in this bag?
Uh-oh.
Cheese. What's in there?
Whoa! What's that?
What is that? You need help? Whoa, cool. Is that a helicopter?
Yeah.
Just like the one Daddy rides on? That's neato.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, Toy Story 3.
Whoa.
Connor. Can you look at Mama? Can you tell Daddy thank you?
Daddy.
Can you say thank you, Daddy?
Daddy, guys, Daddy.
Can you tell Becca thank you? Say thank you, Becca.
Daddy,
All right. Say I love you. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.